Yes.
Cleaning my knee.
You're cleaning your
Your crayons.
your crayons. Who wrote those?
It's the drawing on the wall.
Oh, draw on the wall. Okay. Who drew those crayons on the wall? Who drew those colors? Those crayons? Who drew this?
Colors.
Yes. You are cleaning. Still dirty. See, there's more. I can see more colors, crayons.